Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 4 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter division. And here is the list of the lessons we are going to cover today. They are properties of division, divide two-digit number by one-digit number word problems, divide two-digit number by one-digit number, interpret remainders, divide larger number by one-digit number word problems, divide larger number by one-digit number, interpret remainders. So let's just start with the first lesson. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So we're going to start with the first lesson. We're on the grade 4 maths. Chapter name is division, and we're going to start with the first lesson, that is properties of division. So let's start with the first one. 0 divided by 8 equals 0. That means when you divide 0 by any number, the answer equals 0. 0 divided by any number equals 0. Got it? Okay, the next one is 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Got it? It's basically multiplication and division are opposite to each other. Got it? So because 12 divided by 3 equals 4, that means 4 times 3 is 12. Got it? So here you can match the numbers. Here you have 4, here you have 4, here you have 12, here you have 12. You are here 3 here, but here you have the missing. That means the missing number is 3. If 12 divided by 3 equals 4, that means 4 times 3 equals 12, because multiplication and division are opposite to each other. Got it? Okay, the next one is 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So division and multiplication are opposite to each other. You can just match numbers from here, 3 and 3. Here you have 6 and 6. You don't have 2 here. That means the missing number here is 2. Got it? So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is 4 times 7 equals 28. So which number is missing? Which number divided by 7 equals 4? So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. You can match the numbers. 28 is missing. You can match the numbers. Here you have 4. Here you have 4. Here you have 7. Here you have 7. Here you have 28. But you don't have 28 here. That means the missing number is 28. Got it? So the correct option is 28. Okay, the next one is 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Then what number times 4 equals 20? Which is the correct option? Yes, very good. The correct option is 5. Okay, the next one is 10 times 4 equals 40. Then 40 divided by what number equals 10? So which is the correct option? What number is missing? Yes, the missing number is 4. Okay, the next one is 5 divided by 1 equals 5. Then what number times 5 equals 5? Which is the correct option? Yes, very good. The missing number is 1. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 0 divided by 1 equals. Zero divided by 1 equals. Yes, 0 divided by 1 equals 0. Any number 0 divided by any number equals 0. Okay, the next one is type a related multiplication fact. 33 divided by 3 equals 11. So which one is related? The first option or the second option? Which option is the correct one? Very good. The first one, because multiplication and division are opposite to each other. Got it? So it is 11 times 3 equals 33. Okay, the next one is 0 divided by 8 equals. 0 divided by 8 is 0. Got it? Okay, times 1 is. 12 times 1 is. Yes, it is 12. So the correct option is 12. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 10 times 2 is 20. 20 divided by what number equals 10? Yes, very good. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is, let's just start with the next lesson. And next lesson is divide two-digit number by one-digit number word problems. Let's just start with the word problems. Okay, let the first example, let me read the question. Charlotte's floral shop needs to mail 10 checks to the bank. If they can put 5 checks in each envelope, how many envelopes will the shop need to use? So you have to divide 10 by 5. So 5, basically you have to do 10 divided by 5. So 5 times, you have to do 10 divided by 5. So 5 times what number is 10? 5 times 2 is 10. You can please just write the answer once. Please stop, just write the answer once. So that means the shop will need to use 2 envelopes. Got it? Okay, the next one is a group of tourists need rental car to get around the city. There are 53 tourists in the group. If each rental car holds 3 groups, how many cars will the group need it? So basically you have to do 53 divided by 3. Got it? Just divide 53 by 3. Sorry, it is 3. 53 divided by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 25 take away 3 is 2. Just write the next digit down. It is 3. So 3 times 7 is 21. And 21 take away 23 take away 21 is 2. That means for 53 peoples he have to rent out 17 cars, but he's left with 2 people more. That means he have to add one more. So that means he need to rent 18 cars. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is Scarlett's floral shop needs to be mailed 10 checks to the bank. If they can put 5 checks in each envelope, how many envelopes will the shop need to use? So basically you have to divide 10 by 5. So 10 divided by 5 equals 10 divided by 5 equals 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Got it? 5 times 2 makes 10. So the correct option is 2. Got it? You are dividing 10 by 5. You have to count 5 table of 5 until 10. So 5 times 2 is 10. So the correct option is 2. Just select the correct option, then click the OK button. Okay, the next one is a family need to buy 14 rolls of paper towel. If each package has 7 rolls, how many packages should the family buy? So you have to divide 14 by 7. So 7 times what number is 14? Basically, you have to count a table of 7 until 14. So 7 times what number is 14? Very good. 7 times 2 is 14. That means family need to buy 2 rolls. Got it? So the correct option is 2. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is the town picnic committee has 95 dollars to buy watermelons. If each watermelon costs $6, how many watermelons can the committee buy? So you have to divide 95 by 6. Got it? 6 times 1 is 6. 9 take away 3 is 6. The next digit down, you have to count 9 until 45. So 9 times 7 is 63. Yes, we can go for 9 times. 7, 9 times 6 times 6 times 1 is 6. Wait, let me just divide again. 95 divided by 6. Yes, it is 19. I know I did a mistake. 6 times 1 is 6. 9 times 6 is 3 and 5. 6 times 5 is 30. That means you have a remainder 5, but that means the committee can buy 15 watermelons. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is a teacher has $46 to buy workbooks. If each workbook costs $3, how many workbooks can the teacher buy? So you just divide 46 by 3. Got it? 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. That means she can buy 15 workbooks. Got it? So the correct option is 15. Okay, the next one is a group of tourists needs rental out. I think the answer is 18. That's the one we did on tutorial. A group of tourists need rental car to get around the city. There are 53 tourists in the group. If each rental car hold 3 people, yes, that's the one we did on board. So the correct option is 18. Got it? Okay, the next one is Jefferson County needs 27 pieces of pipe to repair some water lines. If each box contains 5 pipes of 5 pieces of pipes, how many boxes should the country buy? So you have to divide 27 by 5. So we know that 5 times 5 is 25. So you are left with 2 more pieces. That means you have to add one more. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So the correct option is 6. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is a radio station has $14 to buy new CDs. Each CD costs $6. How many CDs can the radio station buy? So just divide 14 by 6. Got it? 6 times what number is 14, or a number that is less than 14? 2 is 14. Got it? 6 times 2 is 12 actually. So the correct option is 2. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let's just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is divide two-digit number by one-digit number, interpret remainders. So let's just start with the first next lesson. Okay, a farmer has a farmer want to plant 23 tomato plants. If he put 9 plants in each full row, how many tomato plants will be partially filled row? So you have to divide 23 by 9. Got it? So let's just divide. So 9 times 1 is 9 and 9 times 2 is 18. Got it? So 23 take away 18 is 5. Got it? If he puts 9 plants in each full row, how many plants family will be in the partially filled row? So that means she can fill 2 rows using 9 and 9. And the third one that is partially filled is 5. 9 and 9 makes 18 and 18 plus 5 makes 23. So two of the rows are for 9 and 9 and the one that is partially filled now is 5. Got it? Okay, the next one is there are 93 chairs set up in the gym for an assembly. After the assembly, all the chairs will be put away on racks that hold 9 chairs. How many chairs will be in the final rack? So just divide 93 by 9. Just divide 93 by. Okay, just divide 93 by 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 0. 9 times 0 is 0. Here you have 3 again. Got it? That means you have 10 rows each with 9. And the last one, the final row, has only 3 racks. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. So basically in these questions, you just have to look for the remainders. When you divide, you have to look on the remainders. Got it? Okay, the next one is a boy at an amusement park has 643 rides, 43 ride tickets. Each ride on the roller coaster costs 6 tickets. After riding the roller coaster as many times as he can, how many tickets will the boy have left? Okay, so he has 43 tickets. So just divide 43 by 6. So 6 times what number is 42? 43 or less than 43. So 6 times 7 is 42. And how many tickets will be left? That means just only one ticket is left. Got it? So the correct option is 1. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is at an amusement park. A group of 43 people wanted to ride on the roller coaster. If each car on the roller coaster holds two people, how many people will be in the partially full car? So you have to divide 43 by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, and 3 take away 2 is 1. You are just left with 1 people. That means the last car has only 1 person. Got it? So the correct option is 1. Got it? You have to look for the remainders here. So the correct option is 1. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is a real estate agent has 47 to spend on the newspaper ads. Each ad costs $8. After buying as many ads as she can afford, how many money will be the real estate agent have left over? So just divide 47 by 8. 4 times 6 is 42. So when you say 4 times 8 times 6 is 42. No, 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 6 is 48. You can go for 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. So 40 take away 47 is 7. Got it? That means how much money will the real estate agent has left over? The agent has left over $7. Got it? Okay, so the correct option is 7. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is there are 90 kids. There are 90 skiers in line to ride the chairlift. If each chair seats 8 people, how many skiers will be on the last chair? So one of the chair has 8 people. So let's just divide 90 by 8. 8 times 9 is 72. So we can go for 8 times 9 is 72. So 8 times 1 is 8. Sorry, I have to divide 90 by 8 times 1 is 8. 9 take away 8 is 1. Bring 0 down. 8 times 1 is 8, and here you have 2. Got it? That means it is 2. The correct option is 2. On the last chair, you have just 2 peoples. Got it? So the correct option is 2. Okay, the next one is a car dealership need to be transport 43 cars to an island. The ferry can hold 5 cars. How many cars will be the ferry take on its last trip? So just divide 43 by 5. 5 times 8 is 40. That means after doing 8 trips, still 3 cars are left. So the last trip, ferry can carry 3 cars. Got it? Okay, so the correct option is 3. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Okay, the next one is divide larger number by one digit number word problems. Okay, the next one is Akash made 240 pieces of peanut brittle to share with his friends. If he put 8 pieces of peanut brittle in each tin, how many tin was Akash able to fit? So you have to divide 240 by 8. Got it? Just count 8 times what number is 24, or a number that is less than 24. 8 times 3 is 24. So 8 times 0 is 0. So the correct option is 30. Got it? The next one is a basketball league wants to order 344 t-shirts for the team. If there are three t-shirts in each package, how many packages of t-shirt would the league order? That means you have to divide 344 by 3. Got it? 3 times 1 is 3, 0. Just bring the next digit down. 3 times 1 is 3, 1, and bring 4 down 3 times. 4 is 12. That means, so you have 114 packages of the t-shirt. Got it? So the correct option is 114. Let's just start with the practice questions. They are already solved. You can have a look on them later today. Okay, let me read the question. A house painter has $244 to buy paint. If each can of paint costs $6, how many cans of paint can the painter buy? So you have to divide 224 by 6. 244 by 6. 6 times 3 is 14 and 6 times 4 is 24. Got it? Here you have 0. Now bring the next digit down. So 6 times 0 is 0. Got it? So that means you have 40. That means the painter can buy 40 cans of paint. Got it? So the correct option is 40. Okay, the next one is a parking garage has want a total of 840, want to collect $840 in fees. If the garage charges $8 for each car, how many cars will it take to the garage to meet the goal? So you just divide 840 by 8. 8 times 1 is 80. We cannot divide smaller number, so you have to bring 0 here and bring the next digit down. Now you have to count 8 till 40. So 8 times what number is 40? 8 times 5 is 40. Got it? That means that in total, the car will garage have to meet the goal 105 cars. Got it? So the correct option is 105. Okay, the next one is the school party committee has $404 to buy ice cream. If each carton of ice cream costs $4, how many cartons can the committee buy? So you have to divide 404 by 4. Got it? So 4 times 1 is 4. Then you have 0. Then bring the next digit down. 4 times 1 is 4. That means the committee can buy 104 cartons, 101 cartons. Got it? So the correct option is 101. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is the school needs to buy 354 pencils for its schools. If the pencil come in the packages of 5, how many packages should the school buy? So you have to divide 354 by times 7 is 35. 5 times 0 is 0. And where that means the total package is the committee can buy 70, but you have to buy 4 more pencils. So 70 and plus 1, that means they can buy 71 packages. Got it? So the correct option is 71. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is divide larger number by one digit number, interpret remainders. Okay, let's just start with the first one. At an amusement park, a group of 709 people wants to ride the roller coaster. If each if each car on the roller coaster holds six people, how many people will be in that partially full car? Basically, you have to divide 709 by 6 and then you have to see the remainder. Got it? Just divide 709 by 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6 and here you have 3. That means 151 and you are left with 3 people at the end. So that means 151 plus 1. That means you 1%. 7 take away 6 is 1. Sorry, let me just divide again. 709 by 6 times 1 is 6, 1, 0 down. 6 times 1 is 6, 4, 9 down, 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48 and yes, you are left with 1. That means in the last car you have just one person. Got it? So the next one is 118. Okay, let's just start with the test question. Okay, Castrol Beverages has 931 fluid ounces of water to bottle. Each bottle holds 8 fluid ounces. After filling as many bottles as possible, how many fluid ounces of water will be left over? So you have to divide 931 by 8 and then you have to see how many water you are left. Got it? 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 6 is 48. So 51 take away 48 is 3. That means the last bottle has just 3 fluid ounces of water. Got it? Because you are left with just 3. When you divide 931 by 8, you are left with 3. So that means the last bottle has 3 ounces of water. Got it? So the correct option is 3. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Miss Howard has 554 gold stickers and want to give an equal number to each of her students. If Miss Howard has 555 gold stickers and she gave the same number of stickers to each student in class, how many stickers will be left over? So just divide 554 by 8 and let's see how many stickers she has left. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 6 is 48. So 15 take away 8 is 7. Now bring the 8 times 9 is 72. So 74 take away 72 is 2. That means only 2 of the stickers are left over. Got it? When she divides in whole class evenly, she will left with just 2 tickets. Got it? Stickers, not tickets. So the correct option is 2. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is a car dealership need to transport 245 cars to an island. The ferry can hold 6 cars. How many cars will the ferry take to its last trip? To just divide 245 by 6 and let's see what is the remainder. 6 times 4 is 24. You have 0 and you are left with 5. That means the ferry can, in the last trip, ferry can hold 5 cars. Got it? So the correct option is 5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is a farmer wants to plant 703 tomato plants. If he put two plants in each full row, how many tomato plants will be in the partially filled row? Just divide 703 by 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. 0, 2 times 5 is 10. Now bring 3 down, 2 times 1 is 2. And 3 take away 2 is 1. That means she's left with just one. The last row has just one plant. Got it? So the correct option is 1. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 292 miners need to ride the elevator of the bottom of the mine. The elevator can hold 6 miners at a time. How many miners will be in the elevator in last trip? So you have to divide 292 by 6. 6 fours are 24. 6 times 4 is 24. Here you have 5 and here you have 2. 6 times 8 is 48. And here you have 4. That means in the last trip you have just 4 miners in the elevator. Got it? So the correct option is 4. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. We are working on grade 4 maths. The chapter name is division. The lessons we have covered today are properties of division. Divide two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers, word problems. Divide two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers, interpret remainders. Divide larger numbers by one-digit numbers, word problems. Divide larger number by one-digit numbers, interpret remainders. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact and tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. Please click on the like button right below the video. If you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.